Recording. Hello guys, welcome to our new videos in YouTube. Today I decided to make Python series in English. I also have series in Turkish, but I'm making this series for my foreign friends who I meet in dormitory or school. Today we are gonna install Visual Studio Code and we will write the simple code and we will execute our first code. We will do classical example, which is hello world. So now we can install Visual Studio Code. I search Visual Studio Code. It's here. I click the website. I download for Windows. You can download for your operating system. My operating system is Windows. I clicked. It's uploading. Open file. I accept the agreement. Next. You can choose different folder, but I will create new folder. Then I click next. Next, and you can choose two of them. Other ones are not important, and you can click next and install. We are waiting for installation. It takes a few seconds. We are waiting. Installation was completed. I click finish and it will open. Then I'm gonna create new folder. Right click and I choose also a desktop. You can choose whatever you want. I did right click in mouse and I click new folder. You can give name for your folder. I will make it Python lessons. Select folder. Okay, I created my new folder, and then you click extensions, write Python debugger. I have already downloaded. If you didn't upload, you should upload it. Then we are gonna create new file, which name is Python 1.py. And I select my folder. I created my new folder, and when you create new file, you mustn't forget .py, because your computer get connect with your extension, and when they connect each other, your computer can understand your programming language is Python. And now we can try our simple code. This is we use print, then use question mark, not question mark, apostrophe. I confused. And you can say hello world. I said run code, and it seems hello world in terminal. You can write whatever you want. We are writing text today, and I want to write another text, which is hello, my name is Omer. I run code. Hello world, my name is Omer. Yes guys, we can finish our videos. Goodbye in the future videos. See you.